In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new estimate and where to see information on your estimates in QuickBooks Online. Let's start this straightforward process that will make managing your business tasks a little bit easier. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the QuickBooks Online login page. You'll want to click on the Sign In button. This is your gateway into the platform where all your financial information is securely stored and easily accessible. Once you click Sign In, you'll be presented with an option that says QuickBooks Online. Make sure to choose this option to ensure you're directed into the correct version of the software. Next, you'll need to type in your credentials. These include your username and password that you've previously set up when you created your QuickBooks account. Once entered, click Continue to proceed. A pro tip here is to make sure your password is both strong and memorable, balancing security with ease of access. Once you've successfully logged into your QuickBooks Online account, look towards the top left of your screen. You'll find a button labeled New. Click on it. This button is where you'll find access to various new transaction options that QuickBooks Online offers, including creating estimates. After you've clicked New, a drop-down menu will appear. Find and select the option that says Estimate. This is where you'll begin building your new estimate document. It's designed to be a simple process, but there are multiple tabs and fields you will need to fill out. With the estimate window open, the first thing you should do is add the customer's details. Enter their name and email address. This information is crucial for keeping your client records up to date and ensuring estimates are sent to the correct recipient. Now, it's time to add the key dates, the estimate date, and the expiration date. The estimate date is typically the date you're creating the document, while the expiration date indicates the period within which the estimate is valid. This is particularly useful for managing client expectations and encouraging prompt decision making. Next, add the product or service that the estimate is about. QuickBooks Online allows you to search through your existing catalog, making it efficient to pull in relevant details. Remember that clear descriptions help clients fully understand and appreciate what you offer. In case you have additional documents or resources that should accompany the estimate, you have the option to add attachments. Simply click Add Attachments and upload the relevant files. This feature is incredibly useful for providing detailed reports or supporting documents directly with the estimate. Once everything is filled out, go ahead and click Save and Send. A form will appear for your email subject and message body. Take a moment to craft a clear and professional note to accompany the estimate document. It's always good to include a brief thank you or any other details that might be relevant. Finally, hit the Send button. Your new estimate is now on its way to the customer. Remember, estimates in QuickBooks are non-posting transactions, meaning they don't affect any accounting until converted into sales. This keeps everything organized and precise. With these steps, you are well on your way to creating and managing estimates effortlessly in QuickBooks Online.